Hi guys, my name is Gary and I'm here today to show you the Python Explorer. Check this out. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it. Here's a little the inside that tell you all the instructions and that it's waterproof and all kinds of great things. You're going to love this. I've never found one this good. Check this out. It comes with this carrying case. You can take it hiking, camping, anywhere really. It goes right on your belt buckle. And, here it is. Check it out. Oh, look at that. Python Explorer. And it's got that body armor coating on the outside, and it really fits good in your hand. Let's take off the lenses here. Show you that. You can see good from far away. So easy and so clear. It's got this nice smooth rolling focus wheel right here. Isn't that awesome? And I think it's amazing. This is the best monoscope that I want to say telescope. It's a monoscope that I've ever purchased, and you can find these as well. But check this out. This is another great thing it does. It comes with a tripod like that and a device that you can clamp right to your monoscope so you can hook your phone on. Again, it's called the Python Explorer by Python Optics. Isn't this amazing? Check that out. It's lightweight, has a crisp view whether you're looking closely or far away. Super smooth focus wheel, as I had mentioned before, and it feels great in your hand with that anti-slip body armor that also is waterproof. As you can see, I showed you can add the tripod to it and the camera. Isn't that amazing? Look at how compact that is. You know, you can carry this around in its pouch with you all day, whether you're hiking, hunting, camping, bird watching. Whatever you want to do goes right in the pouch like that, attaches to your belt. Get it now and thank me later.